Hiya, thank you for popping in today. My name's Kay, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. And today I'm bringing you a card, just a friendship card. Very simple, very easy to put together. And I just thought I'd do this one today. Hope you like it. I'm gonna show you what I've used. I was late to the party with this stamp set. I didn't get it when it very first came out. Whoops, that's a trimmer. I didn't get it when it very first came out, and I've not had it that long, but I really wish I had bought it at the start. I love it. It's really gorgeous, some really nice background stamps, gorgeous sort of roses and really pretty sentiments. I'm really pleased with this set. So we're gonna build this card up and I'll show you how I did it. So I started off with a Whisper White layer, which measures 9 centimetres by 13.25, and we're going to be using Highland Heather today, and we're going to use the large sort of background stamp, this one, like a hydrangea, I think, type stamp. This is what we're going to be putting across the middle, so really we just want to add some sort of colour just to the background. So I'm going to ink this up and just sort of stamp randomly just through the middle where you know, behind there, that's, so you're going to see it. So that's that one. And then I'm going to come in with this image, this little sort of, and where that's going to go, it's probably there. So just sort of coming out, you can pick where you want to bring these out from, just for a bit more of a different, because when you put your foil on, you can see just around the side it's just coming out. I like it, I think it looks good, looks cute. So that, I mean, just stamped all over, freestyle. And then these are from the gold foiled speciality sheets. You get 3 sheets, and I think I've got some here already. You get 3 sheets of paper with all different sort of shapes on. They are gorgeous, so intricate, but really lovely. And I've made quite a few cards with this. And I've left them in the tissue paper and just stored them in this stamp box just so that they're all ready to go. But some gorgeous frames. These are in the annual catalogue. They just make gorgeous cards. I love adding a bit of foil to my projects. It's just quick and easy. So then this one, for the sentiment, I'm going to stamp in basic grey, actually, I think. Wherever that is. Let me have a look. Or is it smoky slate I used? Might be smoky slate. Okay, and we're going to stamp in I Love Our Beautiful Friendship. I haven't got that ready on my block. Oops. Like a bull in a china shop today. So that's that one. And then we're just going to stamp it this way because I'm going to use a punch to punch it out. Yeah, lovely. So the punch I'm using is the postscript stamp punch. And it fits quite nicely into that foiled piece. So just sort of lining it up, making sure it's as straight as. And then just just going to layer it up with this one. Oh, hello, you see me in that foil. Straight onto the back of there. Just in the centre of that one. And then to sort of add a bit of colour to it, I've used the pattern play dots. There's some really gorgeous, these are purple posy, but I think they match with the Highland Heather really nicely, quite soft. So I've just added them just to the sentiment, just to highlight it a little bit really, just to add a little bit of colour. That's that one. Then we're going to add this to our card front. Lots of dimensionals today. Pull the backs off them. And then I'm just going to line it up. Wherever you think, just in the middle. That's that one. Then we're going to add that to a purple posy layer, just like that. And this one measures 10 centimetres by 14.25. So there is quite a bigger border on this one. Actually, on the other one, I did an extra white layer in between, but I'm not on this one. And that one just adding it there. That's that one. And that is it. So I've got my Whisper White card base, which is scored in half and cut in half, the opposite way. And then I'm just going to put this into the front. And that is that. Quick and easy. And that's that one. So as you can see, this one's got a bigger border with purple. I did actually add another layer of Whisper White in there. I don't know if you can see that. So there was an extra layer which was half a centimetre more, but I didn't do it in this one. So it's up to you which one you wanted to do. You could either add a layer, have a bigger border, have a smaller border, entirely up to you. But I think they're just really pretty, quick and simple cards again. Lovely. Thank you for popping in today. Any other products that you do want to purchase are available from my online store. The link will be in the description bar below. Thanks for popping in. See you soon. Bye.